So in this video, we will see the Playwright's new AI-powered test agents. So these agents are designed to make test automation smarter and more autonomous. So we have three main agents here. The first one is Planner. It explores our application and then automatically generates a markdown test plan describing what's need to be tested. Next, we have generator. So the generator converts the test plan into executable Playwright scripts. So basically, it handles the actual creation of test cases without manual coding. The third, we have healer. So healer runs the test and detects failing test cases and repairs them automatically, hence helping us to reduce the maintenance effort. So now let's go to our VS Code and let's see how to configure these agents. So here I have installed Playwright. So we have a basic framework being created automatically once we install the Playwright. Along with that, we need GitHub Copilot access. Here we can go with any of the models. The next thing is we should have the Playwright MCP being running. So let me run that. Okay, it's started running. Now let's go back to the website again. So here they have explained us uh, the in details about the agents, the planner, how it works, and how we have to use it. Same goes for the generator and the healer. So to install these agents, we have a command here. We'll copy this and we'll go to our VS Code and we'll paste it. So as we can see, it's done. So these agents we can see under GitHub. Here, if we expand, we will be able to see the generator, healer, and planner. So if you see here, we have a description like these agents help us to create a comprehensive test plan, and we can see what are the capabilities of this agent. Similarly, we have for healer as well as generator. Now let's try to explore and see how this agents works. So before doing that, we'll see one website. Say we have this sourcedemo.com. We'll first see manually how is the website, and then we will use our Playwright agents to see how they are creating the test cases for this. So once we log into this website, it's uh, it's like a shopping app where we have the items. We can add them to the cart. Then we have option to filter, and then we can go to the cart and we can check out. Okay, looks good. So what we will do, we'll go to VS Code. We'll Here we have this agents. So now, right, we can see we have the three agents. So first one, we'll go with the planner. So we will select the planner agent. Any LLM model we can go. I have kept it in auto. That should be fine for Okay, so next let's see how to start. So if we see in the planner section, they have mentioned some prompt like generate a plan for guest checkout. For us, we are going to do a test plan for the website, this swag sauce demo.com. So let me go here. I will give a prompt like generate a test plan for web application, and the URL is, we'll copy the URL and paste it. So as we can see, it started working. Here it is asking for a few approval. So I will do like allow without review in this session. So here our Playwright MCP server will interact with the website. It will navigate to the website, and we can see what are the actions it is doing. It is just exploring the websites, like it is logging in. It has entered username password, then it has explored the menu and shopping functionalities. So our planner agent, actually it is exploring the website, and then it will come up with the test plan covering all the scenarios, whatever it is required. So we can also do always allow, such that we don't get this repeated prompts. So now we can see our agent has mentioned, like it has perfectly explored all the features of the application, and now it is going to create a comprehensive test plan for the application. So now here we can see our test plan has been created and it comprises of 60 plus scenarios. It has mentioned based on test suits. So authentication 6, browsing navigation 9, and we can go through this in depth, and if we need explanation, that also it can be able to do. Let's go to the test plan file and we'll see what it has mentioned. So under specs, we will have this source demo test plan MD. So let me maximize this a bit. So we can see like this agent has given us the application overview. Like it has mentioned, like it is an e-commerce web application designed for testing purposes, shopping experience with product browsing, cart management. So it has mentioned scenarios like login, like it has given the steps. What are the steps? It will navigate, then enter the username, enter the password, then click on login. Then for product browsing and navigation also, it has mentioned view all products on the inventory page, login, view product details, navigate back from the product details. So like that, it has created a comprehensive test plan for us, covering all kind of test cases. Now, uh, now let's see how we can use our next agent, that is generator. So what generator does, it will use our markdown test plan to create test playwright test scripts. So what we will do, we will change our agent from planner to generator. Next, let's see, first we will try to do for the first scenario, the login one. For that, we have to give a reference. So I will copy this one, and here we can give a prompt like generate playwright test script for, we'll give the test case, and we can send. Now again, we will see our MCP server started, and it started creating our test script. We can see navigated to URL, then login, entered password, clicked on login button. So yeah, so it has completed creating the test case file. So successfully log into standard user. It has covered all the summary, like it has given all the steps, whatever it has covered. Navigate to sourcelabdemo.com, verify, enter, verify credential, click on login. If we come here, we can see them under authentication. So this is the complete file. it has created, like it has started with logging to the application, then it has entered the credentials, then it has verifying like the products are displayed. So the page has been logged in successfully and then it has logged out. Now let's try to see and run and see how it is working. Okay, if you are able to see now, it has started running. So it has ran and the test case has passed. So we can try to see the report. Okay, so it has completed all the scenarios, like all the steps it has done from entering the navigating to then entering, then checking the visibility of the locators. So till this point, it is fine. Like we were able to generate the test plan, then the test case. Next, we will see our third agent, that is healer agent. So basically, healer agent, it will help us to detect if a test case is failing, and it will help and it will self heal that one. So to explore that, what we can do, say suppose for like suppose one of the locators got, whatever locators we have here got changed in the future. So healer will be able to identify that this is not the exact locator. Now the current locator is this one, and it will give us the suggestion. So to replicate that particular scenario, let me do, I will modify this particular locator. I will save it. Now, okay, before that, let me quit the session here. Okay, okay, so we have now we have changed this locator, and now it's so now it's wrong. Okay, so what we will do, we will use our healer agent and we'll before going to the healer agent, let's run the test case once more to see whether it is passing or failing this time. So as we can see, it has failed because of the locator mismatch what we have made. So let's now utilize our healer agent to let's see like how is it able to heal or not. Test case. So we will change it to healer and then we will give a simple prompt like fix it. So as we can see, it has identified the issue. It is telling the locator so the is incomplete. Let me find the correct selector based on the inventory. So as we can see, it has highlighted the issue was an incomplete locator selector with a missing closing quote. I corrected it to this one and replaced the redundant logged in element. Check. So what we will do, we will accept it. As soon as we accepted, we can see here that it has removed the error, what the code what we have done, and it has fixed it. So let's run again now. Okay, this time we are able to see our test case got passed. So this is how the AI agents in Playwright works. So how it is helping us is like with these agents together, we can generate the test quickly and reduce repetitive coding and automatically maintain and heal the test source.